How to reload Chunwa internet card. 30 days unlimited internet. So, kailangan po nating i-scratch ito. I-scratch na natin. So, later, enter na po natin yung number. Pagkatapos, i-dial po natin yung 928. 928.
Welcome to Chunwa Telecom Prepaid Card Account Management Service. To inquire about your balance and expiry date, please press 1. To recharge, please press 2.
Right, so
To change your security code, please enter your voucher number, then press the pound sign.
So, i-enter na po natin yung number dito na i-scratch natin. 5054 64 96 4 9 3 4 8 8. Pagkatapos yung numbers na.
The voucher number you entered is 505464964934834888. Press 1 to proceed. Press 0 to re-enter.
Press 1 daw po para proceed.
Your recharge has been successful. The plan you have recharged is Broadband Day Plan. The expiry date is December 20th, 2024. To listen to this message again, please press 0. To return to the main menu, please press star. To exit, please press the pound sign.
Ayan, okay na po yung pag-recharge natin. Maraming salamat po.